How to handle felony prosecutions in a timely and effective manner is up for discussion this legislative session.
Both public defenders and prosecuting attorneys were at the state capitol today to testify on a bill that, if passed, would allow those criminals to be charged at preliminary hearings. KITV4's Shanila Kabir was at today's meeting.
State lawmakers are considering a bill that will allow prosecutors to once again charge criminals through preliminary hearings. Prosecuting attorney Steve Aum believes a passage of this bill is necessary, especially when it comes to protecting those who are victim of domestic violence felonies.
It's like a mini trial. There's a chance for cross-examination. So if at the sentence, when the trial comes up, if the victim is too afraid to testify or flees the jurisdiction, because there was a chance for cross-examination, we can put the transcript of the preliminary hearing into evidence, essentially do the case without the victim, and that will protect future victims from that defendant.
The state Supreme Court last year issued the Abrero decision, which meant the prosecutors in Hawaii had to get grand jury indictments in their cases, some involving violent criminals.
The voters voted on the constitutional amendment, so the voters are in favor of it.
All of these mechanisms are very important for the efficient running of the Hawaii criminal justice system. The department's asked this committee to pass this bill with our support.
Aum said he's thankful lawmakers are addressing the issue right at the beginning of the legislative session. The public defender's office supports bringing back preliminary hearings, but wants to add amendments,
which deals with information from the prosecutor's office to the defendant that lets them know that multiple times they've gone before the grand jury or they've gone before a judge seeking a finding of probable cause. Right now, that's not in the law. It's not required.
There will be further debate throughout the legislative session. Shanila Kabir, KITV4 Island News.